This is the StealthFyre Origin Deluxe. We call it the Origin Deluxe because it's basically a StealthFyre Origin kit in which we added a few extra panels to, some of which are from our Bush Runner and Deuce series of stoves. So effectively what happens is we've given the Origin the capability of making some of the Bush Runner configurations. But it also did more than that. It made a whole bunch of different configurations that weren't available in either of the two stoves. This stove kit will allow you to make a few things that you can't make in the Origin kit or the Bush Runner. But it can make more than 24 different kinds of stoves. So I'm not going to build all of those in this video, mostly because a lot of those are configurations from the previous kits. So, you know, things like the potbelly stove that you've seen me build with the Origin, I'm not going to be building that again. What I am going to do is I'm going to build the flagship configuration on the box, and I might put together one or two others just to show you different manners in which you can put this stove together. This comes with two small square panels, one of which has the unbent dovetail tabs. I can't stress that enough. You must pay attention to these when you're building your stove. It's not like you're going to screw things up if you don't put them in the right place, but if you're using these properly, they're going to make your day a lot easier. Then it's got two rectangular panels with the unbent tabs. And it also has two tunnel wall panels with unbent tabs. Then it's got two more tunnel walls with bent tabs and 18 rectangular panels. Oh, excuse me, there's 16 here, 18 counting these. So we're going to start out very much like we did with the Dakota Fire Home. This is the flagship configuration of the Origin Deluxe. It gives you every panel you need to build this Dakota fire hole. You would build your fire right here in the middle of this stove and have two air intakes, giving you sufficient airflow on both sides of your fire to make sure that you're burning 100% efficient, smoke-free fire inside of this pit. This is again intended to be buried underground to about here, to leave these openings available for air, and then you build your fire here. This makes a great designated fire ring for any kind of backwoods camper, especially people that are doing backwoods camping in vehicles, motor vehicles, wheeled RVs, ATVs, those types of things. Because it's not necessarily a lightweight stove. This is not going to be an ultralight camper stove. This is probably about 6.5 to 7 pounds worth of stainless steel here. So, you know, unless you're really hardcore, you're probably not going to be carrying this on your back too much, but you can fit it underneath the seat of your vehicle and have a great campfire anywhere you are, even on the beach. This makes a Dakota fire hole in the sand like nobody's business. It is an excellent way of doing so, because as soon as you're done and the stove is cooled off, you just lift it up out of the sand falls in, your ashes are gone, nobody will ever know you were there. Excellent stove. And this gives you the ability to build all of the configurations from the Bush Runner stove, all of the configurations from the Origin stove, plus quite a few more because of the nature, because of the addition of these two square panels.